Here's my first miter saw stand. The guys set them up on sawhorses. Then when you lift it off, you can move it with that set of wheels. It just has a wood fence. You can tell it's laid over for a compound miter saw, or compound miter cut. And this is a cheap, cheesy pencil sharpener. I found a better one. And this automatically turns on the shop vac. When you pull the trigger on the tool, it turns on the shop vac. You can tell it has seen a lot of use. Please hit like and subscribe. Hopefully this will inspire you to make you a lightweight miter saw stand. Thank you for watching.